art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw supersonic. So first we're going to get started with the nose right in the center. We're going to draw in a small circle. And then on top of that, we're just going to draw in another circle for the highlight of the nose. Moving up in the middle now, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this line up and then over for the top of the eye. And then we'll do the same as we move across and out on the left. Let's move down now for the mouth. We're going to curve this line around and then down on both sides. Closing off the eye from that point, we're going to arch this line in. And now closing off the muzzle, we're just going to curve this line around and then back in on the right. For the mouth, we're going to curve this line down. And then in the center, we're just going to arch this line over. Now for the eyeballs, we're going to curve this line around and then in on the top. And then moving in towards the middle, we're going to draw in an oval. Moving up above now, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Let's draw on our ears. So moving up, we're going to curve this line up on a diagonal. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line back out towards the middle. For the center of the ear now, we're going to curve this line down. And then on the top, curving this line over. And then from that point, just arching this line back in on the bottom. Now from here, for the top of the head, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the center. And then we'll move across on the right and replicate that. On both sides now, we're going to curve this line around and then up towards the top of our page. And then from that point, we're just going to again curve this line around and then in towards the side of our eyes. Now from here, moving further across, bringing that line up. And then again from that point, just curving this line all the way around and then in towards the bottom of the mouth. Now let's move down and draw on the torso. So we're going to draw on a curved line that arches down on both sides, ending that at the same height. In the center, we're going to draw in a small arch line, bringing that up on both sides. In the center now, we're going to draw in a small curved line. We're going to bring this diagonal line out on both sides. And then starting from the corner, let's replicate that again. Now from here, moving down, we're going to close that off with a small curved line on both sides. Now on the inside, arching this line in. And then moving over on the outside, curving this line back in again. Now from here, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the top. For the shoes now, we're going to curve this line down on the inside. On the top, we're going to arch this line over and then down. And now let's close this off on the bottom with a nice big curved line, connecting that from point to point. Let's move up now for the sole of the shoe, just curving this line across, replicating that. And now on the inside, arching this line up. And then moving across again and replicating that, curving that further over on the top. Now for the tail on the corner here, we're going to curve this line out, back in. And now let's draw on our arms as we come up. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line that comes out. We're going to drop further down below, replicating that, ending that on a diagonal. We're going to leave quite a big gap here coming over for the hand, and for the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And now in this open space, we're going to close this off by again curving this across and then back in. Now beside the thumb for our first finger, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. We're going to move further down, drawing in an oval, curving that line in towards the thumb. And then again, one last time, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And that is it. That's how you draw supersonic. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.